Today we're going into Denver. We're going to meet my nephew Dan, who works at a car restoration facility, and get a tour of the whole place. It could be fun. This is it. It's called Soneff's. It has some great automobiles in there. Next we're going to head over to Red Rocks Amphitheater. When we were there the other day, my shot that I wanted to take of the amphitheater, well, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so I'm going to go redo it. If you want to go back and look at that video, that was a couple days earlier. So here we are coming into Red Rocks. After getting the shot I needed at Red Rocks, now we're heading up to the summit of Lookout Mountain. Here we are looking down from the summit on Golden, Colorado, down in the distance there. Trying to find the Coors Brewery. Didn't work out. Then we went over to Buffalo Bill Cody's gravesite. Stopped at the gift shop for the grandkids and headed back down the mountain. After getting the shot I needed at Red Rocks and going to Lookout Mountain, we'd accomplished all of our projects for the day and decided to head back to Evergreen and call it a day. As usual, the construction on the road up to the house was slowing us down a little bit, but we survived it. All in all, a pretty good day, about 85 miles. Sort of a short day compared to some of them, but it was a good day, and tomorrow's another day. We'll see you then.